Yeah, now we are going to see development of .NET components first of all, and here we will create a details service, order service. So in the details service, we are going to select from the database, and the order service we are inserting into database. And Visual Studio 2008 we are going to use, and we are going to use SQL Server 2005 or SQL Server Express Edition. I will be using SQL Server Express Edition. I'm going to use SQL Server Express Edition. So we shall start the exercise now. So go for Visual Studio 2008, file, new, website. This is web service. Visual Studio should be checked. Give it over here. .NET. Give OK. So now we change it to details.cs. Double click this, give details.cs, details, save this, rename this, details. Details.asmx, go this, and we can open this. Now details, name service to details, yes. So we're done with that. So now I'm going to import some namespaces now using system.data. It's using system.data.sql client. After having done that, I'm going to give SQL connection now. Public SQL connection. SQL connection should come there. SQL connection con. I'm going to declare a variable con for SQL connection. As public string str. Public string. I give this one string cstr. Connection string. That's string array. String of. And give small base as biggest string of. Let it be. Why am I giving this? I'll tell you later. So now next, I need to create a data connection now. Go this, view, server explorer, right click this, create new SQL Server database. Before that, you need to go for CMD, give host name and Saravanan. This is Saravanan is given over as the host name, so I will be using that Saravanan / SQL Express. You have to give this SQL Express if you are using Express edition. Next one you are going to give is book 6. So I created a book 6 database. So right click this, tables. Before that we will declare it over here. We have created a connection, SQL connection con. So now con, go to new SQL connection of CSTR. What is CSTR? Now all I am going to define now. CSTR equal to, within double quotes, semicolons. So get Click on booksys.dbu, Control A, connection string, Control C, Control V. So you're done with that, and you have to give slash. So we created this one. Now A is equal to new string O. Before that, con.open. We will open the connection now. Con.open. A is equal to new string O. String O. We are done with this. Now go for tables. In booksys.dbu, go for tables. Right click this, add new table. Give a column name. I will give column name as name. Data type as in Vacara 50. Author in Vacara 50. Pub in Vacara 50. Price, give anything. I will give as numeric 0 edition, numeric 18,0 can give again. So done with that. So save this table as book 6 again, book 6. Okay. So now we're done with the table. So right click this, show table data. So nothing is here. So give you some information. SOA, Thomasel, publication GKB or something anywhere. GKB price 67, edition 1. CG, Baker, Pauline Baker, FRP 78 1. So now done with this, save. Yeah, we close this. You can again see that whether it has been done. Show table data. Yeah, it's there. So close this also. Now we'll come with this. So now we have to create a function now. Public string array, to return a string array, details 1 of string name. So I will give a string name. Web method should be there, and we'll give that. And now what you have done is you created now a string query 1, and you have to be proper with this. If you are proper with this, then only you will get this one. Close and close. Do this. Select author, comma pub, comma price, comma edition. Check it out whether I have given same thing. Author pub price edition. Yeah. From booksys var name equal to Duke this one. Next give this one. Alright. Plus name. What I've done here. Right. String name, author pub price edition, where book 6 is equal to, where name is equal to this one I will write string name. Yeah, that's a parameter string name. So now what will I give here is data SQL data adapter. SQL command cmd equal to new SQL command of query1 con SQL data adapter da1 to new SQL data adapter query1 con. To do this, now what you have to do here is da1 dot select command is equal to cmd. Now I have done that. Data set ds1 to new data set. da1 dot fill of da1 dot fill of ds1 comma book 6. So now we have filled the data set. So data table dt1 is equal to new data table of so again I'm going wrong. Data table dt1 is equal to ds1 dot ds1 dot tables of book 6. So data table we given data row dia is equal to dt1 dot rows of 0. Done with that. So now we will have all the values in there. So now what you have to do is a of 0 equal to dia of author dot toString a of 1 equal to dir of pub dot toString a of 2 is equal to dir of price dot toString a of 3 equal to dir of edition. Done that. So now we will give return a. So done with this. So we will compile this solution. Will started, will succeeded. You can give Control F5 or anything. We will give this one. details one. This way. Yeah, we're getting the answer. Commercial Big GKB 671 price edition. So we created details of service. Okay, for complete operation, service description. Note on this service description, copy this, and we'll create another notepad. Copy this. Copy this. Format font. Takes time. Right. So this is going to be your data service details, and we'll check it out with another output also. We'll check it out with CG. We have given only 2 records, so it's coming correctly. For this, so we created a data set now. Another book. We are going to create another service. Before that, we'll create a client for this service. So right click this, open another Visual Studio window. So file, new website. Yes, we on a website now. This time I'm going to create a client for that. Give it as .NET CLNT. Yes, we don't have website now, it should be checked. We're done with that. So now plug this, add the reference, it will be over there. Use one localhost, let it be localhost itself, add reference. Go to design view, and now you have to design. What we'll do, we'll design right, not processing. Okay, right, we'll give what is it, name, author, price edition name. We give author, insert text box, this time we'll delete this, author, publication, price edition, box 2 only, publication, author publication, price edition, price edition, price edition. Now again we have to give name. So first of all you have to be careful with it. You can't fill up all the fields. You have to fill up in the last field now. You have to fill up the last field, and the rest of the fields will be filled up afterwards. So now take the box 1, take the box 5, name, right. So now give one button that's going to be order processing. So now we're done with this. We created this one and you double click on this. Before that you'll go here. I will given as localhost only. So localhost dot details yes is equal to new localhost dot details. And in page load I need to create one thing. What is it? Is A is equal to new string of 4. I need to create what is it? String. I need to get the output now. How will I get the output? I will get the output from text box 5 and I will need to load it in this one. So string of A. So A is equal to new string of 4. String of 4. And now I need to get output from text box 5.text because that's only going to be the name. So first of all I get the output. What will I do? A is equal to s dot details 1 of text box 5 dot text. And with that, now what will I do here? Text box 1 dot text equal to A of 0. Text box 2 dot text is equal to A of 1. Sorry, I've done wrong here. Text box 2 dot text. Next one, text box 3 dot text to A of 2. Text box 4 dot text to A of 3. Done that. So now we will build this solution. Build started, build succeeded. So we can default ASPX. We have done that. So go for this. Okay. So name SOA I am giving. Other names will get errors. SOA will give. Getting the answer. Additions, price, and this one. So this is about selecting from the database. And another exercise is there. That's going to be the insertion into database. That I will continue later. I will continue now. Thank you.